Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your light on a 2024 Toyota Corolla. It is very simple, you need to use these buttons here. So first we gotta go to the menu where we're gonna look for, using this keypad here, we're gonna be looking for the settings button here where we scroll down all the way to vehicle settings. Hold OK to get to the menu, and then here we'll find what we need to reset. In this case we're doing the oil maintenance light, so push OK one more time, reset, go back. If you had more service done to your vehicle, you can also do the scheduled maintenance, go up and reset. Yes, simple as that. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe the channel. If you have questions or suggestions of other vehicles that you would need some help with, please leave it on the comments below. Thank you and have a great day.